Aku Tresmo Indonesia.
Tresmo. That was a special.
Aku
Okay.
cinta Indonesia.
Well, that was quite easy, wasn't it? Sekali lagi, apa kabar? Yamaha. Halo. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Minoru Morimoto. Good afternoon, Mr. Morimoto. How are you today?
Saya baik ya. Okay, so
Sure. Can I borrow the microphone for a sec? I'm so sorry. There's only one microphone for today. We are here today with the family of Yamaha. Is there anything you'd like to say to them?
okay. Halo Yamaha family. Apa kabar? Terima kasih.
Thank you so much. Can you explain us a bit about today's agenda? Can you explain to us a bit about today's agenda? I'm pretty sure you know better.
Agenda.
Yeah. Today's schedule and agenda.
Okay. Today is special day. We would like to say thank you to all of Yamaha family in this special moment with our MotoGP riders. Yeah.
Shall we do the chant together before we call our MotoGP riders?
Yeah, we have also special guest from MotoGP team. Let's invite him.
Okay, shall we do this first? Can I ask your attention to say Yamaha, and then we're all gonna say we are connected, full gospel. Just one more time for the video.
Okay. Video. Di mana kamera?
Which one is the camera? Oh, that one. That's the official camera. Shall we do the chant together? Do you want to say Yamaha first?
Okay. Yamaha.
We are connected, full gospel. Woo!
Terima kasih.
That was awesome. The one and only Valentino Rossi.
Selamat siang, Yamaha full gas pole.
That was amazing. How long did you learn that?
Well, I arrived last night, so I've been practicing for 9 hours.
Oh wow, that's pretty quick. That's pretty impressive, really. Welcome once again. Okay, shall we call our special guest now then? Sudah siap? Sudah ya? Tadi pemanasan dulu nggak apa-apa. Sekarang yang beneran ya. Kita panggil ya. Sudah siap semua? Please welcome Valentino Rossi and Maverick Vinales. Valentino Rossi dan Maverick Vinales. Juga boleh kembali ke tempat duduknya masing-masing dulu ya. Kita akan memulai sesi talk show singkat di meet and greet kali ini. But first of all, let me say welcome to Valentino Rossi, and of course welcome to Maverick Vinales. Did you had a great sleep last night?
Ciao. Hi to everybody. Hi. All okay? All is good? About my sleeping this night, not fantastic because I slept in the aeroplane. So. But anyway, not so bad.
Okay, can I ask you a little question about your fans? You've been coming to Indonesia for quite some time now. You've been coming here a lot. What do you love most about our country, Indonesia, during your visit?
We come here in Indonesia, here in Jakarta, a lot of times because it's an important place for Yamaha and for MotoGP. A lot of fun come from Indonesia and following our races. It's a good place, good weather. We always have a good time.
Do you like the food? Have you tried the food here?
Yeah, it's a bit different compared to our food, but it's not so bad.
Do you have anything to say to your loyal fans that is gathered here today to see you in person? Any messages to your fans that's been waiting for you today?
Thanks for the amazing support because always is great and is a great fun. So thanks to everybody and enjoy.
Can I have just one tiny little favor? Can you say Aku Tresno Indonesia? Can you say Aku Tresno Indonesia, which means I love Indonesia?
Aku Tresmo Indonesia.
Tresno. That was a special request from the fans, so I had to do it. Ulang, mbaknya minta ulang loh. Ini Valentino Rossi diminta ulang loh. Can you say it just one more time? Aku Tresno Indonesia.
Aku Tresno Indonesia.
Oh, that was amazing. Okay, thank you so much. Moving on to Maverick Vinales. It's really good to finally see you in person. I can tell that she's such a huge fan. But anyway, what do you think about our country, Indonesia? Do you like coming here to Indonesia?
Yes, I love the people, I love the fans. I think most of my fans are from Indonesia, so I'm really excited. That's really good, and for us it's so special to come here for Yamaha, for myself, and yeah, I love most of the people in the country, so I really like to come here.
Aw, that's very good to hear. Now that we've heard Rossi's messages for his fan, can we hear yours? Do you have anything to say to your fans as well?
Well, actually, what can I say? I say that I'm working very hard because we want to battle the title, we want to win it, so we are working at our maximum. We will try it this year to win it, so as he said, gaspol.
Now that you can say gaspol quite fluently, can I ask you to do just one little sentence? Aku cinta Indonesia.
Cinta, okay? Aku cinta Indonesia.
Well, that was quite easy, wasn't it? Oke, gimana, sudah puas melihat idolanya tadi ngomong bahasa Indonesia, pakai ngomong aku Tresno segala, kurang apa lagi coba? Baiklah, kalau begitu sekarang aku boleh minta semuanya kembali ke tempat duduk masing-masing. The cap that we are going to give yours is placed underneath your seats. Kita panggil 5 orang pertama dulu with the number. Sekarang nomor 12, 5 orang juga. Silakan Mas. MC jongkok nih, MC jongkok. Boleh aman ya. Aman Mas? Oke, geser. Oke. Thank you so much. Yang nomor 12 sekarang boleh maju ke depan ya. Vinales ya.
MC.
Don't forget the pose, don't forget the pose. Tangannya gaspol. Woo! Oke, sekarang siap-siap nomor 46. And after that, gaspol. Hands in the air, fists in the air. Gaspol. Yay, oke. Thank you so much Rossi. 12. Yeay, jangan lupa pose gaspol. Tidak boleh selfie ya Mas, jangan lupa. Kalau selfie nanti disentil tangannya. Nanti foto-fotonya bisa di-download melalui link yang akan diberikan oleh pihak panitia. Oke, ready? One, two. Teman-teman boleh duduk. Kita akan masuk ke meja berikutnya. On to the very next table. On to the next table, please.
Dan tetap terus bergandengan tangan untuk kita semakin di depan.
Oke, siap ya? 3, 2, 1. Oke, one more time. Gaspol. 3, 2, 1. And we're done.
Dan semakin di depan.
Okay. Ini juga adalah riders dari Yamaha. Setelah semuanya siap, kita akan memulai challenge. Sekarang yang duduk boleh berdiri.
Nanti 2 kali, Pak.
Okay, I will be guiding you here. Teman-teman yang di belakang boleh berdiri ya. Should we do warming up first? Should we test the water first? That was nice, okay? One more time. Now let's do it for. So this would be the main camera. This would be the main camera. So all eyes on this iPhone, please. It's not an ad, by the way. Okay, are you guys ready? Sudah siap? Okay, Mr. Lin, are you ready? Ready to do it? All right, let's run. Music. That was amazing. That was really amazing. Okay, thank you so much, Valentino Rossi, Maverick Vinales. Standby dulu ya, jangan bergerak dulu. Teman-teman.